I find I get to be myself in this job, and I think that really works with the defendants when I meet them, especially people that have come to court for the first time. Having the human touch, the personal touch, when defendants come to the court is very important. So my name is Jennifer. My official role is as a court usher. I make sure that the court runs smoothly. So what I do every morning, I set up the courtroom. I go and take names of all the public that have arrived. I have to make sure the witnesses have arrived. I get everything ready. I make sure the defendants where they need to be. I make sure the legals have all the information that they need. The magistrates as well. It's like a domino effect, that everything happens one after the other. What I like about being here is the new challenges I face every day. Being in a different courtroom every day, seeing new people, meeting solicitors, legal advisors, even judges. I really enjoy that part of my job. We have so many roles as a court usher. I am the eyes and the ears of the courtroom. If a defendant or a family member gets upset, I am there on hand with tissues and asking if they'd like a glass of water. Sometimes people can be really nervous because they're in court. They might not be here for a very nice reason. And probably the night before, a defendant hasn't slept, a witness hasn't slept. So for me to be able to have a quick chat, introduce myself, greet them, ask them their name, ask them if they've got any representation, and just be there for them as a support system. I'm here to make the experience a little bit less frightening than you're probably thinking it is. And I find that when they go into the courtroom, it's a much easier situation than what they probably thought it would be. So having someone there with a friendly face, just like mine, is needed within the court building. So when I go up to the defendant, and if they're really upset, I just ask if they're okay. Would they need anything? Is there anything I can do to help? I find that being involved in that kind of capacity makes it run a little smoother. I just find that it's the little things that make my job worth it. We're like Cinderella's mice, aren't we? Like, they work in the background, but they make everything run smooth. And that's me. A little mouse.